Yeah, okay. Let's take a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin seems to be potentially breaking the $35,000 level. Sorry guys, I didn't have the chat box up, so I'm gonna take a look at this. All right, so let's talk about this target that I wanted to tell you guys about. Oh wait, which chart was I on? This was the chart that I was on, right? Let's take a look at this. This is the Bitmex chart, and all right, let's go into this. What we can see in Bitcoin, and this is, do I have too many lines right now? Do I have too much stuff going on in this chart? I hope not. I hope that you guys can see what's happening here. Here we have a shoulder, head, and shoulder potentially. And I do think that this looks quite nice. I do like these how this looks. So this is something we can definitely play with. And a head and shoulders pattern is obviously a bearish pattern if we break the neckline. And right now it looks like we might be breaking the neckline if you put the neckline like this. You could potentially drag this down a little bit like this and adjust, but right now as I am looking at this, it seems like we might be forming or breaking this neckline. But we need to see a at least like a 1 hour close, I think would be nice, which we might be even seeing right now. So this could be a nice short position, guys, that we might be able to do here live. So let's do a targeted analysis here, or target move. So from the point of this head down to the like this, we can see that the target out of this head and shoulders, which is actually breaking right now, and we can actually make we could make a trade live here even if we see this confirm. Well, we are maybe seeing this actually, so very interesting. Well, you can see that this would be a trade of approximately 6%, guys, a 6% short position down to 33,352 approximately. Let me show you exactly here. So from the point of this breakout, you can see with a stop loss at maybe 1% or so, we can see that this is a 6% trade against a 1% risk approximately, and this is, in my opinion, a interesting thing to take into consideration here as a potential short position. You can either short right now as we are breaking this neckline, but you can also wait for the $35,000 level to break, because that would basically confirm that we're breaking also this previous support, this resistance right here. So that's up to you guys what you want to do. Personally, yeah, what would I do here? I will do we are breaking right now, so that is of course something let's take a look at the volume. Obviously that is always important. Well, the volume is not really too exciting in my opinion. We want to see more volume here. That's my opinion. If we break the neckline, we should see a little bit more volume. We want to see something like yeah, like a volume spike. Right now the volume is pretty, yeah, not so exciting, but this could still be a point to short actually. So yeah, but let's wait for the $35,000 level in my opinion, right now at least. But it's up to you guys. And what I think is that we want to also make sure that we understand that even though Bitcoin is looking a little bit bearish in the short term here, we have to zoom out and just take a look at Bitcoin on the bigger time frame. Because looking at the daily EMA ribbon, we're still in a clear uptrend. We didn't break the EMA ribbon. We're still in a massive bull run. We're still in this parabolic run up. And going over to the 4-hour ribbon, we can see that we broke the ribbon. So we're right now entering into this consolidation phase. We broke the 4-hour uptrend essentially, and yeah, we're in consolidation. And this usually happens when we're in consolidation, that we bounce up and down above the 4-hour ribbon. But I just wanted to make sure that everyone understands that Bitcoin is looking incredibly bullish still on the bigger time frame. And well, also just to kind of go back to that, we still have this big head and shoulders pattern that I've showed you before. We have a shoulder, head, and shoulder. And if we break this neckline down here, then that would be of course bearish for Bitcoin, because as you can see here, this would be a dump of approximately down to $23,600 approximately, and that would be a short of approximately 30%. So that's of course also a big opportunity we could be taking into consideration. So right now Bitcoin is breaking down the neckline, and are you guys shorting or are you not? So Bitcoin is right now, well, let's see. Yeah, Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to the $35,000 level, guys. Are we making a live trade here? Are we trading live right now?